Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get an Easy Victory subscription key. A subscription key, also known as a license or access key, is a unique alphanumeric code. It acts as your digital pass, verifying your purchase or entitlement to use a specific software or online service. These keys are crucial for activating your access, ensuring you can enjoy all the features and benefits of your subscription. They help maintain fair usage and protect the intellectual property of the service providers. Obtaining a subscription key legitimately is straightforward. The primary method is purchasing directly from the official service provider's website, ensuring you receive a valid and supported key. Many services also offer free trial periods, typically lasting 7 or 14 days, which provide temporary access. Additionally, keep an eye out for promotional bundles or giveaways from reputable partners, as these can sometimes include legitimate keys for various services. Once you have your subscription key, proper management is essential. Always store your keys in a secure location, such as a reputable password manager or an encrypted document, to prevent loss or theft. Most service providers offer a dedicated account portal where you can view and manage all your active subscriptions and their associated keys. Remember, sharing your key can lead to its deactivation, so keep it confidential. Encountering issues with your subscription key can be frustrating, but solutions are often simple. If you lose a key, first check your email for purchase confirmations or log into your service account portal. For activation errors, contacting the service provider's customer support is your best next step. They can often resolve issues quickly. Always verify that your subscription is active and has not expired, and that your payment details are up to date.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.